Hi, everybody. My name is Stephanie Allaire. I'm the designer and creator of the C256 Phoenix. Today, I will be showing you how to upgrade your Flash, your Kernal Flash. That should be pretty easy. I will assume at this point that you are all users of the C256 Phoenix. That means that you've been having a machine for a while, you've been playing with it, you've been using the user debug port, and so there's really no point for me to go and explain everything about everything. This is pretty much the basic of what somebody getting the unit would do at first. So power on the unit, play around, and then get to business into getting some code in, getting it to run, getting compiled. So there's really no point for me to spend 10 minutes to explain how to get there. I think it's pretty self-explanatory at this point, but I think it's still important for people to know what is the easiest path to upgrade their firmware. I will be making another videos real soon about how to upgrade the FPGA load, which is going to be a little bit more tricky. But I think it's going to be necessary since we're about to do a major upgrade, real soon, for Gabe and VK2, which are the two FPGAs on the board. So let's go and do this. So I would start by going and I will assume that you've downloaded the latest version of Foenix IDE, which is, and Daniel is the person who's been working on it continually, or lately he's been working a lot on it. Okay, let's put it this way. So there's been a lot of changes. Every day there was an upgrade and updates. So please always make sure you have the latest version. Actually, before making that video, that's exactly what I did. So let me find my subdirectory. Hold on. There you go. So when it's installed, you usually use the release version. It's a lot faster, and there's really no point to use the debug version. So you usually find in Foenix IDE master bin release. And again, if you've been using the Phoenix for a while, you already know all that. So we get to the screen. We go into Tools, Updater. So I am at COM38 because since the beginning I've started doing and making C256 Phoenix. I had to connect every single one of them into my computer, and every time I have a new USB device, it's been keeping memory of all the different USB to serial that have been connected to. So my version right now is the 38 chip I've used. I have like 72 now. So yeah, it's going up there. So I do connect. It's very easy in reality. So I look for the binary file. And lately I got a new update, which is not the latest. There will be a new update real soon. And the only thing you need to do is just click flash. You can keep it at 0, doesn't really matter. And you just send the binary. Obviously, you need to have your unit opened and working. Powered on and working. And you just have to say yes. The basic idea is that the way it works is that the whole code, the 512 code bin, which needs to be always a 512K, even if half full. There you go, it's done. You still need to have a full 512K bin and follow the structure of how it should be arranged. The idea is that it's been sent in the memory of the unit, and then from the unit, Gabe takes that information and reflash the flash. Obviously, it's going to erase it first. It's very like, it's not very fancy, let's put it this way, but it works. So it's very simple. It works. One big block. Maybe later, really later, I might put some granularities in there to make it smaller, just upgrade flashes, sectors. But at this point, there's really no point because, it's not like people will start dwelling in the kernel and trying to change it. There's no point because everything is transferred in RAM anyway. So if you want to do some changes in RAM, you could do it from the floppy, the SD card, and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much how you go about it. And then it resets itself. And well, it was already updated, so it didn't change anything in my unit, but it should change yours. And this is the first step. So I guess the next step will be to show you how to upgrade your FPGA. Like I said, it's going to be a little bit more work, but let's start with that. And I will see you soon. So take care of yourself. I'm not going to tell you repeat everything that everybody else is repeating. I think it's pointless at this point. Everybody knows. Hopefully we can get out of this shitty situation and go back to some kind of normal, I guess. Not sure if that will ever happen, but anyway. All right, have fun with your Foenix, and I'll see you soon. Take care.